Ay pare ko, Sir Boy, Demo Boy, kumusta? I just want to check kung okay ka. Ano yung tanong na kamusta ka? Dali lang sabihin, pero ang hirap sagutin, di ba? Kasi sanay tayo sa sagot na okay lang ako. Pero minsan, hindi naman talaga okay, and that's okay. Mental health isn't just about being happy all the time. It's about being honest with how you feel. Kahit mahirap, kahit magulo, kahit masakit, kahit mabigat. Normal mapagod, umiyak, normal masaktan, at normal ding huminga muna. If the day feels heavy, please don't carry it alone. Talk to someone you trust. Minsan, isang kwento lang, isang kamusta lang, malaking ginhawa na. And if you're doing fine right now, maybe it's time for you to check on someone else. Baka yung simpleng kamusta ka, yun pala yung kailangan nilang marinig today. So, let's keep the conversation going. Let's talk about mental health openly, kindly, and bravely. Every mind deserves peace, every voice deserves to be heard, and every person deserves to be cared for. So let's break the silence, because it all starts with one small question. Yung totoo, kamusta ka talaga? Ingat palagi pare ko. God bless.